Hello everyone, this is Joel over here. So in this video of LeetCode series, we will solve a numerical 1290 which is called convert binary numbers in a linked list to an integer. So here the question says, given head which is reference node to a single linked list, the value of each node in the linked list is either 0 or 1. So a linked list has a value either 0 or 1. The linked list holds the binary representation of a number, and we have to return the decimal value of the number in the linked list. So the linked list contains the binary numbers and we have to return the corresponding decimal numbers as a result. So now let's see this example. We have head is equal to 1, 0, 1. So we know 101 binary represents 5 in decimal, and binaries are in a base of 2, right? So this is a logic we are going to use for convert binary numbers into linked list. But before that, let me explain what is linked list first. So a linked list also is a kind of data type. It is a collection of nodes linked together. So what is node then? A node is a cell that has data and the address of the next node to be linked. So here you have a node which says a single partition of a node is called data and the remaining is next, which indicates the address of the next node. And this arrow is termed as a reference, which is going to link the previous node as well as the next node. So these nodes is gonna increase until the scenario, and at last this node is gonna point null. So first node is said to be head node, and the data inside the node are called value over here. So with this we will just try to solve this numerical. So now let's try. First I'm just initiating a variable called total and making it into 0. So now they have mentioned 101 is 5 because binary is under the base of 2, right? So first is called as 2 power 0, which is anything power 0 is 1, and second is called as 2 power 1, which is 2, and third is called as 2 power 2, which is called 4, and fourth is called as 2 power 3, which is called 8. So basically what happens when we are promoting from one to other, we are just multiplying it by 2. Do you remember the LeetCode numerical which we did for reverse integer? So reverse integer, while we are just promoting a unit digit to a tens, we used to multiply it by 10, right? So same case over here, instead of multiplying it by 10, we are going to multiply it by 2 over here. So first I have just created a variable called total, mentioning 0 as a value over there. So now I'll just create another variable called list node, saying r. Okay, so list node r. So as a first step, it's gonna point the head. Head. Okay. So now I'm gonna traverse this whole linked list. So how come this linked list can be traversed? So here we use a loop called while loop. We are gonna traverse this whole linked list until this r is gonna meet the null. So while r is not equal to null, so till r meets null, we are gonna traverse the whole linked list over here. So now inside a while loop, we are going to write the logic, which is very simple logic, mentioning that total is equal to total into 2. This is because we said binary values are in the base of 2. We have to multiply them 2 again and again recursively when you're promoting from one node to other node. So total into 2 plus we have to sum the value in the node, so r dot val. So once this is done, we have to move this r pointer, which is a reference, to the next node. So you have to mention it, right? So r is equal to r dot next over here. So Once this r dot next goes and it traverses till the null meets null, right? So once it's done, we'll just return the total over here. So that's it. This is a simple. I'll just explain you once what happens. So we have int total is equal to 0. Initially the total is 0 over here. So next, list node r is equal to head. We are having a reference with a data type called list node, and those reference is pointing the first node of a linked list. So we are creating a while loop mentioning that this reference is gonna traverse all the linked list until it meets the null value over there. So next, total is equal to total into 2 plus r dot well. So I'll explain this logic with an example given over here. Let's take 1 comma 0 comma 1, right? So 1 is our first value in a node. So total into 2. So initially we have total is equal to 0. So 0 into 2 will be 0 plus r dot well. R dot well is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So we have 1 in our total. Next iteration, our value is 0 over here. So total is equal to total into 2. So in previously we had 1 in our total. So 1 into 2 is 2. So 2 plus 0 is again 2 over here. So now next step, if we check, we have 1 in our value. So now total is equal to total into 2. In previously we have total is equal to 2. Now multiplying it again with 2, you will get 2 into 2 is equal to 4. And again you are summing up with r dot well, which is 1. You will get 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So and then we are returning this total over here. So this is very basic logic. And now let's run the test case and check. Okay, we spot an error. It's next, right? T is left over there. Now let's try. Okay, our test case has been accepted. Now let's submit and check. That's it, guys. Our submission is accepted, and this is very simple LeetCode numerical. It looks like hard when linked list and all those DSAs are asked. It looks very hard, but this is a simple logic. Hope you guys understood, and stay tuned until then. Thank you.